Hi, I'm Nikki Kupez with Havrion. We're here at InfoComm 2025, and I'm here to tell you what Havrion can do for you. So Havrion is a solution that is network distribution content. We take your content and put it on screens. So whether you're achieving IPTV or digital signage, town hall TV, whatever you need to send to your screens, we have the software that can bring your connection to your displays. Here we have a few options that show some of our digital signage with an L bar. This allows us to run some unique digital signage along with IPTV streams. We're working hard to do more engagement and bringing more return on your investment from what your customers' experience is with their screens and their digital signage, IPTV, and opportunities like that. Our customers tend to be stadiums. We love working with retailers that are trying to increase their ticket sales, corporate enterprises, and menu boards. We can do a lot of different solutions. We are powered with Samsung and work off their SoC chips. So no hardware off the back of your screens. Everything's over the network, directly working off the SoC on the internal display. So if you want to learn more about our product, you can reach out to us at havrion.com. Thanks.